Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be styling my hair in these large knotless box braids, and I have exactly 20 braids. I have 10 on top, 10 in the back. Let me show you guys the back. And I use exactly 5 packs of hair, but minus 1 piece of hair, which would have been 1 braid. So 5 packs of hair is what I needed, and I decided to go ahead and curl the ends with a perm rod, or with a flexi rod, excuse me. And I just did that. Slightly heavy and they're really long. So let's get into the tutorial. For the hair, I will be using the Rastafari. Come on, cookies. Rastafari hair. And this is a number 1. And this is kind of my first time using Rastafari hair. I usually use the Black and Gold brand, but I wanted to give this a try. And I have 5 packs of these, and I got number 1 because my hair is jet black. I either go all natural or bold, like blue. There's no in between. So I chose to do all black. For my edge control, I will be using the So Real Edge Silk. And it says it's a hair gel, but it's not. It's an edge control, and it's very thick. And I also will be using Murray's Edge Wax just to get a good hold. And this is more oily than that one. You can focus on it, but it won't. It's more oily than the other one. You'll see when I apply it to my hair. I've already parted my hair, and I have, I'm going to show you guys really quickly. I part my hair off camera because I don't know how to part, so it takes me forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1. And when I part it, I just twist my hair up so it can stay separate. So I have 5 over there. 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see all of the parting when I'm all done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I will be taking out 3 pieces of the synthetic hair, and I will be stretching the ends. And I'm going to start off by applying a little bit of edge control, then adding the edge wax to my hair, combing it into my hair just to ensure that it is smooth, split my hair into 3, start braiding. Now, when you add the synthetic hair, you want to put it underneath and match the curve of your hair. It's like a U. Hopefully you guys can see this well because this was a struggle. But as you can see, I put it right under, and then I started braiding. I'm going to continue to do that. And again, this takes practice. I have another video where I'm showing you in better detail. So yes, I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And I don't know where I got these from. I probably got them from Sally's or the beauty supply. It was so long ago. It was like when I first went natural. I bought those. So I'm just gonna cut this little string off. And again, your choice. You can do as you choose. I don't like that scraggly look. And also I thought if I were gonna do my braids this big, the ends need to have some kind of pizzazz because they're just big braids. So I'm just gonna cut that part. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.